Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to review Creative Inspirations Short Handle Mixed Set. I'm unpackaging and surveying the size of the brushes. In this set you get a round 2, a round 6, round 8, and a flat 1/2 inch. I was in the market for more affordable and completely synthetic brush alternatives to my silver black velvet brushes, so I came across these on Amazon. I've heard a few people talk about Creative Inspirations before and decided to try them out. They were shipped in a pretty convenient time span from Jerry's Artarama Art Supplies. I purchased them on April 15th and then they arrived on the 21st. With shipping and handling and tax, they came out to be $17.19 USD. As you can see, I'm making a couple of test pages so they can introduce themselves to me. And I find it so important to test out new art supplies to learn and understand if it's a good fit. Sometimes the supplies can be amazing, it just doesn't fit my style. Now let's get into some of the facts and claims on the packaging. These brushes have nickel-plated brass ferrules, Dura handles made of solid resin that are perfectly balanced and supremely durable. They're made up of 100% Taklin synthetic hair for control and precise brush strokes. They are used to be made for all traditional media, including oil, acrylic, and watercolors. The handles are supposed to be uncrackable and chip resistant, or no chips. And they're supposed to have a good longevity and a professional feel.
Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think that she'd be the one? Whoa. Just tell me, why did she go?
So these are my thoughts while I was using them. You can see in the demo painting that it took a bit of time to get a smooth gradient wash with the flat brush. And I may limit this brush to use specifically with mixing charts and swatch cards. I feel like the bristles didn't hold a ton of water, and I found myself going back to my glass quite a bit during the entire process. I really did enjoy the tip of the round brushes. I could really get very accurate and pinpoint strokes as they claim on the packaging. These were very comfortable to hold and great for precision work. When I render a painting, I tend not to use a ton of water, so the fact that they don't hold a lot doesn't really matter during that process. All in all, I think that this is a good set for specific uses. It's difficult to claim one type of brush is good across all mediums, but I could really see these brushes working well for acrylic and gouache. Unfortunately, I can't speak to oils since I've only used the medium once.
Why did she go? I met her back in 2005. It was her crooked little smile that caught my eye. Time went by and it was her and I. She promised me to never leave my side, but she left me here alone. I still check my phone 'cause I can't move on. Whoa. Why did she go? Whoa. Was I supposed to know that she'd leave? Was I too naive to think
I have a really exciting sketchbook video coming up, and if you follow me on Instagram, you already know the bulk of the contents. I hope you found this review and demo helpful. Please be sure to check out my other socials linked below for more content, and follow me if you want. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!